Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay outside the US. Apple Pay offers a convenient and secure way to make purchases when you are traveling internationally. It is widely accepted in many countries, supporting numerous local currencies. Just look for the familiar Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol at checkout. This guide will help you prepare and use your device for seamless transactions abroad. Before you embark on your journey, it is wise to prepare your Apple Pay. Make sure you have added all necessary credit and debit cards to your Apple Wallet. It is also crucial to contact your bank to inform them of your travel dates and destinations. This helps prevent any unexpected card suspensions. Additionally, inquire about foreign transaction fees to avoid extra charges on your purchases. Making a payment with Apple Pay abroad is just as simple as at home. To activate, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then, hold your device near the contactless payment reader. You will see Done and a check mark on your screen when the transaction is complete. For some debit card payments, you might need to enter a 4-digit PIN or provide a signature. To ensure a smooth experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always carry a backup payment method, such as a physical credit card or some local cash, just in case. When offered, it is generally better to pay in the local currency to get a more favorable exchange rate. Finally, always ensure your device has plenty of battery life, so you are never caught without your payment option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.